Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Motorola phone. And if your Motorola phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, then after hard reset of your Moto phone, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get a language option, vision setting, emergency call and a start button. So let's check. After hard reset and factory data reset, either your Moto phone has been switched on or not. So simply you will have to follow all the steps whatever is showing on your phone display. So simply you have to tap on this start option. Now after that you will get a such type of display. Here you will have to tap on this skip option from here. Now after that you will switch to this page, and after that you have to tap on this accept and continue. So you can see here, after the factory data and hard reset of your handset, of your Motorola handset, you will get again a pattern lock here. You can see here whatever you had used pin pattern or password lock, you will get on this display pin pattern or password lock. But here you can see you will get another option that is showing here, use my Google account instead. So simply you have to tap on this option. So here you can see it's asking your Gmail ID and password. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, you can easily feed your Gmail ID and password and go through the next option. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you can see here you are getting here forget email option is showing here, and there is no any skip option on your phone display. So if you have your phone number that is registered with your Gmail ID, so you can simply tap on this forget email and recover your Gmail and go to the next option. But if you don't have remember your Gmail ID and password, you can see here you are not getting any skip option on this page, and you are not getting any skip option. So this lock is known as FRP lock, which is generated by Google to secure your smartphone when your phone is stolen. Okay, so here first of all you will have to bypass your FRP lock of your handset. So simply you will have to firstly go to the back option and reach to the starting page here. From here you will have to make some changes in your setting. Firstly you will have to change the language from English India to English US. Okay. Now after that you have to tap on this emergency call. Simply you have to tap on this emergency call, and here you will have to type a USSD that is star 222 star 36 star 99 and hash. You will have to tap this USD, and after tapping this USSD you have to call on this. When you will call, you will have to tap on this OK and go to the back option to starting page here. Now after that you have to tap on this start option, and from here you have to skip from here. Now you will come on this page. Here you will have to tap on this option that will show here Motorola privacy policy. You have to tap on this one. Now in this page you have to scroll down and come to the option that is last option is showing, and you have to tap on this URL that is motorola.com/support. So you can see here it's not working, so don't worry at all. You have to go to again this option. Again it's not working, don't worry, simply go to the back option, and from here you have to tap on this URL. Now you will switch to this page. You have to tap on this. Now from here you have to accept all the cookies here. Now tap on this one, and you have to tap on this. Okay, now go to the back, and from here you have to tap on this cross. Now from here you have to go to the option that is showing here support, and you have to tap on this software option. You have to wait. From here you have to change in India and from here tap on this done. Again go to this option, tap on this again, from here go to support option, go to the mobile Motorola, now you can see here India is showing, very good. Now from here you have to tap on this software and apps. Now after that you have to tap on this software fix. Now you have to tap on this software fix, go to this three dots and tap on this repair, and here you have to submit a repair. Now after that you have to tap on this remove and backup. Now all the things has been done. After that simply you have to tap on this done option. Now simply go to the back option and reach to the starting page again. Now here you have to come on this vision setting. Now in this page you have to go to the option that is showing here TalkBack, and you have to tap on this one, and simply you have to tap on this done option, again done. Now all the settings has been done. Let's check either your FRP lock has been bypassed or not. So simply you have to tap on this start option again. Now simply you have to tap on this skip. Tap on this more, accept and continue. Now you can see here, my friend, the skip option is showing. It means your phone's FRP lock has been completely removed. Now you can easily tap on this skip option and bypass this Gmail ID credential page. So simply you have to tap on this skip, tap on this skip option. Here you have to simply skip from this page, skip from here. Now go to the accept, go to the OK. From here, not now, not now. Go to the next, next, next. Skip from this page and finish. Here you will have to tap anywhere on the phone display. Now you can see here the Moto phones has been completely FRP bypassed and pin pattern and password has been removed. You can see here pin pattern and password lock has been completely removed. You can see here. So if this video helped you to bypass your FRP lock of your Moto phone, then do the like this video. And if you have stuck anywhere in this method, then make us comment. Our team will definitely support you to bypass your FRP lock of your Moto phone. So thank you so much.